Let me tell you a story about a woman named Sarah. Sarah was stuck in a job she didn't love, stuck with mounting bills, stuck in a cycle of financial worry that seemed to have no end. She knew she deserved more, but she didn't know how to break free. Sound familiar? We've all been there. That feeling of hitting a ceiling, of our dreams being just out of reach. But for Sarah, everything changed when she discovered the release technique. You see, Sarah had limiting beliefs about money. She believed money was hard to come by, that she wasn't good with it, that she wasn't destined for financial freedom. These beliefs, buried deep in her subconscious, were holding her back without her even realizing it. The release technique helped Sarah identify these limiting beliefs and let them go. She started to visualize herself receiving a promotion, earning more money, and living a life of abundance. She replaced her old negative beliefs with new, empowering ones. And you know what? The universe responded. Within just 2 weeks of practicing the release technique, Sarah received a significant promotion at work. Her boss recognized her newfound confidence and drive, and she was rewarded with a 20% pay raise. But that wasn't all. Opportunities for side income started appearing out of nowhere. A friend mentioned a freelance project that was perfect for her skills, and she was invited to teach workshops on a subject she was passionate about. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that when we release our limiting beliefs, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities.